Hi, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to this channel, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Are you a beginner in Bengali language and you want to get started with learning more words in Bengali? This video will show you how to learn 100 Bengali English words in 10 days. So let's get started. Step number 1. Get started with Bengali alphabets. Well, I don't want to make your learning journey more boring, but this is necessary to get to the next step. So, how to learn the Bangla alphabets quickly? Well, the Bengali alphabets contain 11 vowels and 39 consonants in total. Therefore, consider to divide these letters into groups and start mastering them in less than a month. I've made another video of 5 ways to learn Bengali alphabets fast and easy for all beginners. Check it out, those tips on this video here. Step number 2. Find the 100 Bengali words to learn. This is an important step. I'm going to share with you guys some ways to get these 100 Bengali English words. Way number 1. Get these 100 words from Bengali learning apps. Here are few recommended apps. Learn Bengali quickly. This app provides you with Bengali lessons, English translations. So it's easy to start learning within the apps and extracts some vocabs out there. Another app is Learn Bengali from English. This app contains all of the basic Bengali lessons with categories, so it's easy to follow and learn some very basic words. Way number 2. Get some words from Bengali Bono Porichoy books. Bono Porichoy books are books for children to get started in Bengali. Therefore, it's recommended to get started like a child too. Way number 3. Get these 100 words from a list of common words. If you search for 1000 most common words in Bengali, you'll find out that they're listed and you can start pick up 100 words from this list. Go as you like. Or you can list 100 words in English that you know, then get it translated into Bangla through a translation app. Way number 4. Get this list of 100 words from YouTube videos. Believe it or not, there are still good people out there who put their dedications to make a series of YouTube videos teaching Bengali, and of course they will have a lot of words to learn. Let's say you can search for a list of most common words in Bengali on YouTube and start to learn from there. Or you can check different videos and extract some words from each video. If you want to get 100 words, then let's watch 10 videos. And you don't have to do this in a day. Divide this 100 words learning target in 10 days. Here I've made a list of my first 101 Bengali to English words, and you can check it out from here. Step number 3. Divide your 100 words list into 10 days learning. So, as we mentioned before, that this tutorial is all about how to learn 100 Bengali words in 10 days. Therefore, it's from day 1 to day 10. Each day, carve it up with only 10 words from the list that you've got. Remember to make habit of writing it down, not necessarily to remember it all, but just for good practice. Here's what I've done from day 1 to day 10. Since we've mastered the Bengali alphabet, we start to write in Bengali, and it will be made easy by time. Make sure you don't quit in the middle of this 10-day challenge, because this is not only for learning but also keeping up going with good motivation, passing through the hard work. Each day spend around 20 minutes to 30 minutes to learn and write these 10 words that you choose. Review the previous day's words before starting a new day. Keep doing like that until you get to day number 10. And bonus tips. Next step, you can start learning to make basic sentences with those 100 words that you've learned. This will help you to remember them easily and learn faster later on. And one more thing for a good motivation to share is, as for a language learner, if you master a few thousand words, then it's great gathering of words to boost your language skill. Therefore, consider to set a target of mastering around 3,000 to 6,000 words in this Bengali language, and you'll be able to speak it fluently soon. But you see, 1,000 miles starts with one step, and you've done that with 100 first Bengali words. Keep it up, don't quit. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye for now.